Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're at Bedford Autodrome. Guys, I'm going to be talking to Ciro about his absolute rocket. So cool. I don't know what it is, built on an MX5 platform. Gonna find out. Let's have a little chat with Ciro. It's getting a lot of attention here at Bedford Autodrome. Cannot wait. Ciro,
how we doing, Jay?
Yeah, we're good, man. Thank you so much for inviting me on this this track day. We're here at Bedford Autodrome. So what are we in? What is this car?
So we're in an MX5 kit car that we built. It's called an Exo set, but with some of the modifications we made to the actual kit. There's Kevin, Graham and myself, Ciro, and we call it the KGC. That's Kevin. Hello, Kevin. Give us a wave. Yeah. Kevin's our master mechanic, engineer. The guy's got 50 odd years experience in race teams from the 70s F1 teams. His best mate is Rory Byrne, who's Michael Schumacher's aerodynamicist for all his winning cars.
Amazing.
And we put this car together. We've barely got it out on the track. It's half the weight of an MX5 and it's so just nimble, but sometimes it catches you out and you end up doing pirouettes around the corners. But that's also down to driver error as well.
How much does it weigh?
Weighs 650 kilos.
Wow, that's mad. That's absolutely
I've
mad.
invited you because I just felt you needed to experience this and have a day out as
Really
well.
appreciate that, mate.
Well, mate.
Rock and roll. It's a shame about COVID, you have to stay covered up and all that, but safety first, guys, safety first.
Cool.
Oh! Colin in the Biposto.
Come on then, let's go, right?
Let's do this. Colin,
Yes, mate.
with the Biposto, no door handles. Let's get safety first.
Absolutely.
Here we get. All clear? No.
Ciro'S coming.
Should we talk to Ciro? Get both of us out.
Needs a bit more power though.
It does. Really nice, man.
Cheers.
Good work.
That's cool. Oh boy. Whew.
Ciro, thank you so much for bringing me on this track day. Absolutely mental. That car is an absolute beast.
It's a little monster. It's really low centre of gravity. It loves to drift around those corners and you really hammer the power. But you're still alive.
I'm still alive. It must be the EBC brakes you've got on it.
EBC brakes, yellow stuff on those. It does brake really well. When we built that car, we made a few adjustments to what the kit actually supplied. We made it our own car, so it's still got the ABS, the power steering. It's got a stereo. We've put some little mod cons that we can't live without, and it's got those driver assists. It helps.
It's brilliant having the stereo in there.
Couldn't hear a bloody thing.
Couldn't hear it at all. No. So yeah, thank you so much, Ciro.
Pleasure, mate.
Really appreciate
Nice
it. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Guys, thank you so much.
Keep watching JT. This man's on it.
Thank you so much. Cheers, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.